In this presentation, we'll explore advanced tools used for network troubleshooting. These tools are essential for diagnosing and resolving complex network issues, ensuring smooth and efficient communication across your network. tcpdump is a powerful command line packet analyzer. It allows you to capture and analyze network traffic in real time. Let's delve into its key features and basic usage. tcpdump captures and displays packets on a network interface. It also filters traffic based on complex expressions. tcpdump saves packet data for later analysis and is lightweight with minimal system impact. Finally, it is available on most Unix-like systems. Here are some examples of basic tcpdump usage. To capture packets on interface eth0, use the command sudo tcpdump -i eth0. To filter hypertext transfer protocol traffic, use the command sudo tcpdump -i eth0 port 80. To save a capture to a file, use the command sudo tcpdump -i eth0 -w capture.pcap. Now let's explore advanced filters in tcpdump to target specific network traffic. Here are some examples of advanced filters. To capture traffic from a specific host, use the command sudo tcpdump host 192.168.1.100. To capture traffic to or from a network, use the command sudo tcpdump net 192.168.1.0/24. To capture only transmission control protocol traffic, use the command sudo tcpdump tcp. To capture domain name system traffic, use the command sudo tcpdump user datagram protocol port 53. To capture hypertext transfer protocol traffic not from 192.168.1.100, use the command sudo tcpdump port 80 and not host 192.168.1.100 . To capture secure shell or hypertext transfer protocol secure traffic, use the command sudo tcpdump port 22 or port 43 . As a tip, use single quotes around complex expressions to prevent shell interpretation of special characters. Wireshark is a graphical network protocol analyzer that provides a rich interface for deep packet inspection. Let's explore its features and capabilities. Wireshark is an industry-standard packet analyzer with a rich graphical interface for deep inspection. It is cross-platform, supporting Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. It supports hundreds of protocols and offers live capture and offline analysis, as well as powerful filtering capabilities. Wireshark offers many key features. Different protocols are highlighted with distinct colors. It provides a detailed breakdown of packet structure and enables complex expressions to isolate traffic. It can also follow transmission control protocol, user datagram protocol streams between hosts. Wireshark display filters are essential for isolating traffic for analysis. Let's explore some common filter expressions. To filter hypertext transfer protocol traffic, use HTTP. To filter domain name system queries, use DNS. To filter hypertext transfer protocol secure traffic, use TLS. To filter Internet Control Message Protocol messages, use ICMP. To filter traffic by IP address, use IP.address = 192.168.1.1. To filter traffic by port number, use TCP.port = 443. To filter hypertext transfer protocol GET requests, use http.request.method == get . To filter traffic by packet length, use frame.length > 1000. Here are some filter tips. Combine filters with and or and not. Use contains for substring matching. Save common filters for quick access. Use == not =, less than for comparisons. Netstat and SS are valuable tools for monitoring network connections. Let's explore their functionalities and usage. Netstat is a classic utility for displaying network connections, routing tables, interface statistics, masquerade connections, and multicast memberships. To list all transmission control protocol connections, use the command netstat -at. To show listening sockets, use the command netstat -l. To display process identifications, use the command netstat -p. -t specifies transmission control protocol connections. -u specifies user datagram protocol connections, and -n specifies show numeric addresses. Socket statistics, or SS, is a modern replacement for Netstat with more features and better performance, especially on systems with many connections. To list all transmission control protocol connections, use the command ss -ta. To show listening sockets, use the command ss -l. To filter by port, use the command ss -t destination:443. -I specifies show internal transmission control protocol information. -m specifies show memory usage, and -s specifies show socket usage summary. Nmap is a versatile network scanner used for network discovery and security auditing. Let's explore its capabilities and common usage. Nmap is a powerful network scanner for discovery and security auditing. It identifies hosts, services, and open ports, and detects operating systems and service versions. It supports various scanning techniques and is extensible with scripts for advanced testing. A TCP/SYN scan is a fast, stealthy scan that doesn't complete connections. A TCP connect completes a TCP handshake with each port. For basic scan of a host, use the command map /192.168.1.1. To scan specific ports, use the command map -p 22, 80, 443 192.168.1.1. To scan a network range, use the command map -192.168.1.0/24. To detect service version, use the command map -sv 192.168.1.1. To detect the operating system, use the command map -O 192.168.1.1. User Datagram Protocol Scan identifies open User Datagram Protocol ports, and Script Scan runs default scripts for additional info. MTR, which stands for My Traceroute, is a network diagnostic tool that combines the functionality of traceroute and ping into a single tool. It allows for continuous monitoring of each hop and provides real-time statistics on packet loss. It measures latency for each node and has both text and graphical output modes, while supporting Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. For a basic MTR scan, use the command mtr example.com. To generate a report with 10 packets, use the command mtr -c 10 report example.com. To use Transmission Control Protocol instead of Internet Control Message Protocol, use the command mtr -tcp example.com. -n specifies no domain name system resolution, or numeric only. -c capital C specifies set packet count for report mode. -I specifies set ping interval, and -p specifies use specified port with TCP, User Datagram Protocol. Iperf is a tool for active measurements of the maximum achievable bandwidth on Internet Protocol networks. Iperf measures transmission control protocol and User Datagram Protocol bandwidth performance and uses a client-server architecture for testing. It reports bandwidth, delay jitter, and datagram loss and supports Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. To start the Iperf server, use the command Iperf -s. To run the Iperf client, use the command Iperf -c server_IP. For a User Datagram Protocol test with 50 megabits per second bandwidth, use the command Iperf -c server_IP -u -b 50 capital M. To run tests for 30 seconds, use the command Iperf -c server_IP -t 30. In conclusion, here are some best practices to follow when troubleshooting networks. Document everything. Keep detailed records of network configurations, changes, and troubleshooting steps. This creates a knowledge base for future issues. Establish baselines. Collect performance metrics during normal operation to identify abnormal behavior when troubleshooting. Use a systematic approach. Follow the open systems interconnection model from physical to application layer when diagnosing issues. Isolate problems methodically. Use multiple tools. Combine different diagnostic tools to get a comprehensive view of network issues from various perspectives. Automate monitoring. Set up automated monitoring to detect issues before they impact users and collect data for troubleshooting. Maintain security awareness. Consider security implications during troubleshooting. Network issues may be symptoms of security incidents. You can find further information in the Linux Network Administrator's Guide, Wireshark Network Analysis, and TCP/IP Illustrated. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.